Namaste bachchon. In this video, we are going to see the book exercise, solutions, summary for the lesson Meet a Bowl. It is a poem, part 7, lesson 7. Meet a Bowl. Meet a Bowl Kavita. Kavita mane poem. Children, the lesson video is available in our channel. Kindly watch once so that this book exercise will be very easy for you to understand. Now children, let us move on to this book exercise and solutions. Abhyas, exercises. Shabdarth, word meaning. Kavva, kavva, crow. Children, we can say kavva also. Okay? Yes. Samman, respect. Fark, difference. You can see a matra here. Next word, karkash. Here also you can see the matra here. Karkash, harsh. Pyar, love. Koyal, cuckoo. Durgati, distress. Gun, witch. Meeta, sweet. Madhur, melody. Now, exercise 1. Okay. Sahi vikalp chuniye. Choose the correct option. Okay. Yes. Now, children, I will read the questions now. कौवा और कोयल किस रंग के होते हैं? Okay ma, रंग माने color. So the options they have given काले, सफेद, नीले, भूरे. कौवा और कोयल, that is crow and cuckoo. Okay ma. So what is the color of the crow and cuckoo? काले black, सफेद white, नीले blue, भूरे brown. So what is the right answer? काले. Very good. ख, कोयल का सब क्या करते हैं? Okay, कोयल माने cuckoo. Okay, so how the people see this cuckoo? Okay, so गुणगान, सम्मान, पहचान, अपमान. Okay, so कोयल का सब माने all the peoples. Okay, so सम्मान करते हैं. सम्मान माने honor or respect. Next, मधुर आवाज से क्या आशय है? Okay ma, मधुर आवाज माने melodious voice. Okay, so what is the benefit of melodious voice? The answers they have given is प्रभावशाली, सहमी, मीठी, कर्कश. Okay, so the answer is meaty. Okay, so here I have given the answers. कौवा और कोयल किस रंग के होते हैं? काले. कोयल का सब क्या करते हैं? सम्मान. मधुर आवाज से क्या आशय है? मीठी. Okay, now पंक्तियां पूरी कीजिए. Complete the lines. Okay children, this you have to see the poem. Okay ma. So the concept behind this exercise is to memorize the poem. Okay, that is this paragraph you have to memorize and write. Okay, काले रंग का कौवा होता dash, कोयल का सम्मान करें सब dash. Okay, so the answer I have given here. काले रंग का कौवा होता, काली ही कोयल होती. कोयल का सम्मान करें सब, कौवे की दुर्गति होती. Children, once again I am telling you that to watch the poem video is available in our channel. Okay, if you watch only once, you can understand this book exercise very well. Okay, yes, thank you children. Now next paragraph, प्यार अगर पाना है बच्चों डैश मधुर आवाज निकालो मुख से डैश. Okay, now here प्यार अगर पाना है बच्चों मिश्री सा मीठा बोलो. ओके मैम, यस, मधुर आवाज निकालो मुख से कानों में रस गोलो. Each and every word I have explained in the poem. Okay ma, so this exercise will be very easy if you watch the poem video. Now next children, कविता का अभिनय कीजिए और गाइए. ओके माँ, recite the poem with action. अभिनय करना माने to make action. ओके, यस. इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Answer these questions. ओके, मौखिक, मौखिक माने oral. Now first I will read the question. सबसे प्यार पाने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए. Okay, so if you want to get love and affection from everyone, okay ma, what do you have to do? किस गुण के कारण कोयल सम्मान पाती है और कौवा अपमान. Okay, in this poem the poet has described the quality of the crow and cuckoo. Okay ma, so how to approach others, how to speak to others, everything the poet has explained in this poem. Okay, so gun mane quality. Okay ma'am, their character, how they approach others. Okay, so due to which the cuckoo has honored by everyone and the crow was apaman mane shame. Okay ma'am, they neglected by everyone. So the answers are, सबसे प्यार पाने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए. सबसे प्यार पाने के लिए हमें मधुर बोलना चाहिए. Okay, you have to speak sweetly, softly. Okay, yes. किस गुण के कारण कोयल सम्मान पाती है और कौवा अपमान. मधुर बोली के कारण. Okay ma'am, due to speaking very nicely, very sweetly. Okay, kindly, politely, everything we can say. Okay, कोयल सम्मान पाती है. The cuckoo was honored by everyone. और कर्कश आवाज, कर्कश माने harsh, आवाज माने voice, sound. Okay, so due to harsh voice के कारण कौवा, कौवा माने crow, अपमानित होता है. It was neglected, ignored by everyone. Okay, yes. Now next children, लिखित, written. Okay, now here you have to write this answers. Now first I will read the question, then I will give the answers. कौवे और कोयल में क्या समानता है? What is the equality between these two birds, कौवे and कोयल? कौवे व कोयल में से किसकी आवाज आपको पसंद है और क्यों? ओके, सो whose voice, okay ma, whose voice do you like between these two birds, that is crow and cuckoo, and you have to say why do you like. Okay, next question, कवि बच्चों से किसके समान मीठा बोलने के लिए कह रहा है. Okay, so the poet is asking the children, okay, to how to speak, okay, to follow which bird. Okay, now the answers are, कौवे और कोयल में क्या समानता है? कौवे और कोयल में रंग की समानता है. ओके मा, they both are looking alike in colors. Okay, they both are black in color. दोनों का रंग काला ही होता है. दोनों माने both. ओके मा, रंग माने कलर, काला माने black. They both look in black in color. Okay, now second question का, कौवे व कोयल में से किसकी आवाज, whose voice, okay, आपको पसंद, पसंद माने like है और क्यों, क्यों माने why do you like, कोयल की आवाज मुझे पसंद है. Okay ma, so the children says that they like only the cuckoo's voice. Okay, कोयल की आवाज. क्योंकि, क्योंकि माने why, because वह मधुर बोलती है. Okay ma, it speaks sweetly. Now गा, कवि बच्चों से किसके समान मीठा बोलने के लिए कह रहा है. ओके, बच्चों माने चिल्ड्रन, समान माने इक्वल, मीठा बोलना माने टू स्पीक स्वीटली. ओके, सो कवि बच्चों से कोयल के समान मीठा बोलने के लिए कह रहा है. सो द पोएट, ओके, ask the children to speak sweetly like the bird cuckoo. Okay ma, yes. Now next exercise children, you can see a picture here. Okay ma, so here you can see the pink color words. Okay, those are the verb. Okay ma, action words. Okay, in Hindi we used to say kriya. Okay, kriya माने verb. सूरज चमक रहा है, the sun is shining. Okay, शकुन कपड़े सुखा रही है, this woman is शकुन. Okay, she is drying the clothes. बच्चा नहा रहा है. ओके, बच्चा माने ये बॉय. ओके, माय बॉय चाइल्ड. नहा माने बात. ओके, wherever रहा रही comes means it is ing. Okay ma, the continuous tense of the verb. Okay, the boy is taking bath. Okay, he is taking bath. Now here pita putra, so this is the father. Pita, putra माने son. तैर रहे हैं. Why here रहे? Because there are plural words. Okay, because a father and a boy. Okay, his son. Two persons are here, so plural. तैर माने swim. They were swimming. Okay, they are swimming. And मुरली कपड़े धो रहा है. Here is only one person. Okay, so Murali is his name. कपड़े माने clothes. He is washing the clothes. धो रहा माने washing. हाई माने is. मुरली is washing clothes. हवा बह रही है. हवा माने air. Okay ma, बहना माने blow. Okay ma, blow. The air is blowing. Now children, next page. इन क्रिया शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences by using verbs given below. As I told, these are the verbs. Okay ma, action words. Okay, so खिलना, खिलना माने to bloom. खेलना, खेलना माने to play. पढ़ना, पढ़ना माने to read. हंसना, हंसना माने to laugh. इन क्रिया शब्दों से वाक्य बनाइए. Make sentences by using verbs given below. Okay children, yes, just now I read these words and I told the meanings. Okay, yes. फूलों का खिलना हमारे मन को भाता है. भाता माने attracts. The blooming flowers attracts our mind. Okay, yes. खेलना, खेलना स्वस्थ के लिए लाभदायक है. Okay, it is good for our health. Okay ma, स्वस्थ माने our health. So playing is good for our health. बच्चों को मन लगाकर पढ़ना चाहिए. बच्चों माने children. Okay, so the children has to learn very well. They have to involve in learning. Okay, मन लगाना माने interest. Okay, so the children has to show interest in learning. Okay, yes. हंसना, laugh. Okay, हमें प्रतिदिन, प्रतिदिन माने everyday, कुछ समय माने sometime, हंसने के लिए that is to laugh, अवश्य, अवश्य माने necessary. Okay, surely, कि निर्धारित करना चाहिए. So we must allocate some time every day to laugh. Okay, that is we have to laugh every day. Now next children, ऊपर दिए गए रंगीन वाक्यांशों से किसी न किसी कार्य के होने या करने का पता चलता है. Children, just now I explained this picture. Okay ma, yes. So in this picture, whatever the sentence is here, I have explained. Okay, so rangeen vakyamsham mane colorful sentences. You can see here this is black and here it is pink in color. Okay, so in this pink color word kisi na kisi karya. Okay, so some work is uh, doing by some people. Okay, के होने या करने का पता चलता है. So we can understand from this pink color words that some work is done by some people or it was done by the nature. कुछ कार्य स्वयं हो रहे हैं. स्वयं प्रकृति द्वारा माने by the nature. In this sentence हवा बह रही है. So the nature is doing this work. Okay, so the air is blowing. और कुछ कार्य किए जा रहे हैं and some work was done by the peoples. Okay ma, here this man who is Murali is washing the clothes. Here this woman Shakun, she is drying the clothes. Okay, yes. चमकना और बहना. चमकना that is shine. The sun is shining here. बहना, बहना माने blowing. Okay, yes. अपने आप होने वाले कार्य है. It was done by the nature. Okay, yes. नहाना, नहाना to take bath, तैरना to swim, धोना to wash, सुखाना to dry. व्यक्ति, व्यक्ति माने peoples द्वारा किए जाने वाले कार्य है. So these works are done by the some peoples. ये सभी होने या किए जाने वाले कार्य है. Okay, these works are done by some peoples or it was done by the nature. क्रिया कहलाते हैं. क्रिया माने verb. अर्थात it means जिन शब्दों से, शब्दों माने words से किसी कार्य के करने, okay, some work was done या होने, okay, का बोध हो, वे शब्द क्रिया कहलाते हैं. Okay, yes. If the work was done by some people or it was done by the nature, it is called the verb. Okay, yes children. Now next one, हिंदी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Okay, translate into Hindi. Now I'll read this sentence. The color of crow and cuckoo is black. Your voice is very sweet. The voice of crow is very harsh. All love cuckoo because of its sweet voice. Okay, yes. Now children, here a request. Please skip or forward the video so that you will miss out something. Okay, so watch every second so that you can understand everything. Now the color of crow and cuckoo is black. कौवा और कोयल का रंग काला होता है. Your voice is very sweet. आपकी आवाज बहुत मधुर है. The voice of crow is very harsh. कौवे की आवाज कर्कश होती है. All love cuckoo because of its voice. मधुर आवाज के कारण सभी कोयल से प्यार करते हैं. Next children, विलोम शब्द लिखिए. That is opposites. Okay ma, write antonyms. काला, दुर्गति, प्यार, सम्मान, कर्कश, गुण. Okay, now I'll tell the answers. काला means black. सफेद white. दुर्गति माने distress. Okay, yes. सदगति, the opposite is सदगति. प्यार, प्यार माने love. नफरत, नफरत माने hate. Okay, सम्मान, सम्मान माने honor or respect. अपमान, अपमान माने insult. Okay, कर्कश, कर्कश माने harsh. मधुर, melody. गुण, गुण माने a good quality. अवगुण माने bad quality or inferiority. Okay, next children, here this exercise you are going to see the sentence and you are going to write in this 2 lines. Okay, so मीठा बोलने वाले सबको प्रिय होते हैं. You can see the matra is going up and here O matra is going up. So see that and you have to follow the same, and if you practice the same you will get compliments from your teacher and your handwriting also will become very neat. Okay, चादर सुंदर अक्षरों में स्वयं लिखें. छात्र माने स्टूडेंट. ओके मा, you student have to write very beautifully in this given 2 lines. Okay. कौवा, कौवा, कौवा. काली, काली. कोयला, कोयल. सा, इमा, न, सम्मान. दुर्गति, दुर्गति, दुर्गति. फर्क, फा, इर, खा, फर्क. कर्कश, का, इर, खा, शा, कर्कश. मिश्री, मी, सा, री, मिश्री. मधुर, मा, दु, रा, मधुर. आवाज, आ, वा, जा, आवाज. Okay children, now next we are moving to the Kavita ka Saramsh, the summary of the poem. Now children, I'll read the sentence and I'll explain you. इस कविता के माध्यम से, माध्यम माने through, okay ma, through this poem हमें जीवन, जीवन माने life, जीवन में मधुर बोलने, मधुर बोलना माने to speak sweetly की सीख, सीख माने moral, okay, दी गई है. So the moral is given in this poem is to speak very sweetly. यदि, यदि माने suppose हम मधुर बोलेंगे, okay, if we speak sweetly, तो समाज, समाज माने सोसाइटी में सभी हमारा सम्मान करेंगे. Everyone gives respect, okay ma, they honor us. कौवा और कोयल दोनों का उदाहरण देकर यह समझाया गया है. Okay, so the poet has shown the examples, okay ma, by giving these two birds. Why? Because these two birds are black in color. Okay, so in our society also people look alike. Okay? उदाहरण माने एग्जाम्पल देकर यह समझाया गया है. ओके, ही मेड अस टू अंडरस्टैंड की माने दैट दोनों का रंग काला ही होता है. द कलर ऑफ द बोथ बर्ड्स आर सेम. लेकिन, लेकिन माने बट, मधुर बोलने के कारण, ओके, सो द कुकू इज स्पीकिंग स्वीटली. कोयल सम्मान पाती है. The cuckoo is honored by everyone because it speaks sweetly. और कर्कश आवाज के कारण, okay, due to having harsh voice, कौवा को सभी दुत्कारते हैं. Everyone ignored, okay ma'am, everyone don't like crow because of his harsh voice. So we have to speak very sweetly. The poem depicts the importance of sweet voice. Okay, ma, here sweet voice means the way you speak. Okay, the words you use, how you approach the peoples. Okay, how kind you are. That is the meaning actually here. By comparing the color and voices of crow and koyal. Koyal means here cuckoo. Okay, poet wants to prove the importance of polite and sweet voice. Okay children, so to whoever you approach, okay, if you want to get anything to be done by your parents or by your teachers, you have to approach very kindly. You have to use only polite words. You have to speak sweetly. Due to melodious voice, koyal bird is loved one for everybody, while harsh voice of crow makes neglectable and avoidable. Okay children, hope you understand this book exercise very well. Kindly subscribe to our channel and watch our upcoming videos and share this video with your friends. Thank you children. Dhanyavad.